We'll guide you through how to fix private browsing not showing up in Safari on an iPhone. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So here we are in Safari. If I tap on the tabs button in the bottom right, as you can see, the private option isn't there, which it usually is next to tabs. And if I go and click on the three lines at the bottom, we can't see it there as well. So to go and get started, come out of Safari. And this is happening due to a restriction. Open up settings, and what you need to do is go and scroll down until you can see the option for screen time. Scroll down and find restrictions and click there. And what you then need to do is tap on App Store, Media, Web and Games. And you need to go into Web Content, tap there. What you need to do is go and set it to unrestricted. You need to go and enter in your screen time passcode. If you don't know it, you'll have to get the person who does to enter it. After you've done that, come back to Safari like so, and maybe even wait a few seconds. It did crash there, but the private option is now there. And when you click on the three lines, we've got the option for private as well.